Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. In Clickup, you can set up alerts or notifications for tasks that have become overdue. Here is how you can set up an alert for overdue tasks. First, navigate to your notification settings, which you will find into your account avatar. Tap on your avatar that you will find on the right side of your surface. Now, you can find this notification settings under the settings. Go to notification settings, and here you can find different types of option to notify your work. Now look for an option that's specifically related to overdue tasks or reminders and enable the options to receive alerts or notifications. Here is the here is the option of due dates, and you can either notify into your email, mobile or inbox, and even in the browser settings. Now you can set up all your tasks or all your assigned tasks into a specific time, and it will alert you in your email section. Now, once you have configured this notification preference, make sure to save the settings to apply the changes. Tap on Back to Workspace. And you can see here is a task of mine that has a due date. So by following these steps, you can set up alert notifications for overdue tasks in ClickUp. This ensures you and your team members are promptly notified when tasks become overdue and helping them to prevent delays and keep projects on track. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.